Honoring Jordan Reeves. Jordan Reeves was born with a limb difference. Her left arm stopped growing just before her elbow. As she said, quote, "Having a physical difference isn't a sad thing. It's an opportunity, and her goal is to change attitudes around physical differences and wants to help make people feel more comfortable talking about them too." In elementary school, Jordan attended a workshop for kids with limb differences. Her assignment was to create a superhero persona and build something she could add to her arm. She decided to be Glitter Girl, and so began Project Unicorn. With the help of a designer and 3D printer, she created a prosthetic arm that shoots biodegradable glitter. She's had the opportunity to share her invention on the Rachael Ray Show, MakerFaire, TEDx, AIGA, and the Parsons Design School. In 2017, she started a petition for American Girl to offer different options for their dolls. She wants to raise awareness so that children can learn about what limb differences are. She's received more than 25,000 signatures. Her advocacy and passion for inclusivity inspired her and her mother to create a consulting company called Design With Us. One of her projects was working alongside Mattel. Together, they created the first Barbie with a prosthetic limb. Her perspective gave Mattel the opportunity to create a doll that accurately represented what having a prosthetic limb is like. Mattel even created a one-of-a-kind doll of Jordan that was sure to include the prosthetic arm she designed. Jordan is also the co-founder, alongside her mother, of the non-profit Born Just Right. At Born Just Right, they give kids with disabilities design and STEM knowledge to make creative solutions. It also creates a community where kids and their parents can connect. In 2019, Jordan and 3 other young members of Born Just Right launched a youth design consultancy, Make Just Right. In 2021, Jordan was one of 4 girls who founded STEAM Squad, a program designed to get kids involved in science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Honoring Jordan Reeves.